Hey babies, so I made a video and it didn't take, so I had to make you a new one. I got a new track unlocked though, so we're gonna race the Jeep first. See what this new track looks like. Whoa, lots of water. Whoa, it drove underwater. Good thing I got that rocket. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh no, I messed up. Oh, I got that right though. Ew, ew. Boy, this one's hard. Ooh, barely won. I won. Well, I guess I won by 3 seconds. It wasn't just barely. I kind of kicked their butt. I thought I was going to lose, though. Here we go. Oh, look at that mole. Oh, we're going to drive on a leaf. Are you serious? Look at the carrots disappearing. Something's taking those carrots. It's the mole or gopher. We'll call it a gopher. That gopher's taking the carrots. There's a hot pepper. There's another hot pepper. More carrots. We're in a garden. Yeah. Alright, and we crashed into a pumpkin at the end. Sweet. Oh, did you see the pumpkin splatter? That was cool. Alright, let's race the purple pickup. Let's see, I got an award for something. What did I win? Oh, I won lots of stuff. Off we go. Hey, that guy's got dynamite on his antenna. I better stay away from him. He looks a little explosive. Yeah. Let's go, purple pickup. Whee! I'm driving over cheese. Looks like they're mixing up some dough. More cheese. Hey, he stuck that hot pepper to the wall. That was crazy. Never seen that before. Yeah. Alright. Oh, it's a close race. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I finished in last place. Not good. But I tied for first for the championship, so I don't lose trophies. I only lose trophies if I finish in third or fourth. Woohoo! Oh wow, 30,000 coins. Lots of money. That was lots of money. Alright. We shall race the fire truck. One last go around, and then I will try to get this video posted. Hey, there's a black and gold one like my old fire truck. Or my old monster truck. Drive through some flour. Here, I got the lead. Let's see if I can hang on to it. They're really, really fast. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh boy. Oh no. Well, I didn't win the race, but I got second place. Let's see if I can get them this time. These guys are good. Somebody should really clean this basement up. A lot of cobwebs. Oh boy. I'm getting nervous. This is close. Oh no. He came back and beat me at the end again. But I'm tied for first. Driving under the water. Another shark fin. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, I hit my head. Oh no, I hit my head. Not good. Oh, am I gonna beat him? Alright, I did it. Woo, that was close. Sweet. Alrighty, kiddos, I won the championship. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I love you, Dolly Sue. I love you, Mary May. I love you, Albertine. I love you, Joseph Tyler. Everybody give Mama hugs and tell her thank you for letting you watch it. Mama, please give hugs to the babies. I love and miss you all. Bye.